Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Zero Touch Cyber. Today, we deep dive into the world of securing your smart home in this digital world. Smart home has cameras, locks, sensors, so many devices, many vulnerabilities. How can we build a layered security system that protects every aspect of our smart home? Smart home security for IoT devices encompasses a multi-layered approach to protecting your connected home from potential threats. It's about a fortress around your network, using both digital and physical safeguards to ensure the safety and privacy of your data. Smart TVs, smart lighting systems, smart thermostats, smart door locks and blinds, smart security cameras and systems. Tips to secure your smart home and devices. Let's discuss about it. Set a complex password for router credentials consisting of mixed cases, numbers, and symbols. Use WPA3 or WPA2 for strong encryption. Conceal your network by disabling SSID broadcasting and establish a guest network for non-essential devices. Consistently update your router's firmware for better security, and enable the firewall to block fraudulent traffic and use MAC filtering to limit device connection. Update firmware regularly. Ensure that all your smart devices have the latest firmware updates installed. Manufacturers release updates to patch vulnerabilities and improve security. Secure your smart home by creating strong, original passwords for each device, using a mix of letters, numbers, symbols with 12+ characters. Avoid birthdays, names, and use a password manager for enhanced security. Implement multi-factor authentication for extra protection. It requires at least 2 forms of identity verification. Network segmentation, when applied to a smart home, creates virtual barriers within your network, isolating your smart devices from your personal devices and the internet. VLANs. Imagine separate highways for your devices. Smart devices get their own road, never crossing paths with your laptop or phone. Guest network. Think of a dedicated Wi-Fi network for guests and smart devices, keeping them away from your main home network. Advanced walls. For complex setups, imagine flexible, dynamic walls that adapt to your devices and traffic, offering the most control. Firewall and security software. Use a firewall to monitor and control incoming and outgoing traffic on your network. Consider using security software that specializes in protecting IoT devices. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to hit the bell icon. Please follow for more updates.